Hello children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today I will start new lesson number 4, celebrating festivals. Shall we start? Okay, open your book, page number 25. Page number 25. First we go to warm up activity, okay? Here is one warm up activity for you. See here. This is the picture of celebrating, right? Dear children, you take your color pencil or color crayons. You color it, okay? Don't use sketch pen. Okay, children? Dear children, we celebrate different kinds of festivals with our friends and family, isn't it? So, there are two types of festivals. There are two types of festivals. First one, religious festival. First one, religious festival. Second one, national festivals. National festivals. Today we are going to learn about religious festival. Let me see. Religious festival. What is the meaning of religious festival? What is religious festival? The festivals are celebrated by the people of different community. These festivals are called religious festival. I repeat once again. The festivals are celebrated by the people of different community is called religious festival. Got it? Okay. There are some important religious festivals are there. Let me see. First one, Christmas. Christmas. Christmas is the famous festival of Christian people. It is the famous festival of Christian community people. On that day, they are all decorates their house with colorful lights. And they decorate Christmas tree also. Christmas tree also. And they are all wear new dress, new clothes. And they visit church and light the candle there. And they are all prepare different kinds of sweets and delicious food. And they distribute each other. They wish each other Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. It is the greeting words of Christmas. They celebrate Christmas 25th December every year. 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, children, you got it? Okay. Next we go to Diwali. Diwali. Diwali is the one of the famous festival of Hindu people. Hindu people. On that day, they clean their house and decorate their house with leaves and flowers and colorful lights. They light the diya in the evening. They light the diya in evening and they burst firecrackers. What you call pataki. Firecrackers. They are all wear new clothes and prepare some delicious food. Some people makes go puja on that day. So they enjoy that day. Okay. Next we come to Eid. Eid. Eid ul Fitr or Eid. Eid is the most important festival of Muslim people. Eid is the important festival of Muslim people. They celebrated after a month of fasting. Fasting means upavasa. 1 month ಉಪವಾಸ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈದ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಬ್ಬನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. On that day, they are all visit masjid to pray, and we wish each other Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. On that day, they prepare some special sweets, siviyan and kheer, and they distribute each other. Okay, children. Next, Guru Purab. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is the famous festival of Sikh people. Guru Purab is the famous festival of Sikh people. On that day, they are all visit Gurudwara. Gurudwara. They make a bhajan, kirtan, prayer there. On that day, there is a huge procession. The people march in procession in towns. Procession means Meravanigi. Procession in town. And they prepare some special meals called langar. They distribute each and every one that special meals who visit the Gurudwara on that day. On that day. It is Guru Purab is the day to remember and honor the Sikh Guru. Day to remember and honor the Sikh Guru. Got it, children? Okay. In next class, we discuss about national festivals.